LT298 radio. Now, let's take it step by step. Luiton LT298 is a classic CB radio, clones of which can be found under different names, see in the description. However, we always prefer the original genuine model with fixed bugs and the widest functionality, without overpaying for a well-promoted brand. The radio comes in a good quality colorful package, which you can also present to someone. Inside are rigid boxes that safely protect the electronics during transportation. There are instructions in English and Italian, as well as a discount coupon for the next purchase on ProMarket. The microphone has buttons for switching channels and a button for activating the automatic noise reduction. Power cord with cigarette lighter plug. Mounts for the microphone and the radio itself. The transceiver itself is in the classic form factor. At the bottom, the speaker and a reminder that this version is a universal, for 12 to 24 volts DC. At the back, antenna socket UHF and external speaker socket. On the front, professional microphone connector micro 6 and controls. All knobs, buttons and toggle switches are analog. The case is metal, the assembly is neat. Before connecting the power supply, be sure that a serviceable antenna and handset are connected and that the polarity and voltage of the power supply match. It is never superfluous to study the manual. Right after switching on, the display briefly shows the country code, currently EC, then the channel number, currently 01. To set the correct country code, turn off the radio, switch the channel selector switch to the 9 position and turn it on again. Now you can change the country code with the channel switch button on the tangent. For most countries, EU standard European grid, 40 channels, will do. More information about frequency grids and channels you can find in our blog, link in the description. To save the selection, return the channel select switch to the CH position, turn off the radio, and turn it on again. The ESQ squelch knob is used to manually adjust the squelch, and the GRF gain knob is used to adjust the receiver sensitivity. Use the AM/FM tumbler to set the desired modulation. You can switch channels with the up and down buttons on the panel or on the handset. Press the PTT button to check the transmission. We check all the radios before sale to make sure that the power corresponds to the declared parameters in both operating modes. Use the RF gain, radio frequency gain, knob to set the maximum gain of the radio signal. Turn off the manual squelch by turning the SQ knob counterclockwise until noise appears and check the automatic squelch by turning it on with the AQ button on the microphone. The indicator of the automatic squelch is a green LED on the panel. For good reception, it is important to know how to set the manual squelch correctly. To do this, you need to choose a moment of silence in the air, set the SQ knob to minimum, the radio will be noisy, and smoothly rotate until the noise disappears and a little further. Depending on the level of interference and the channel, the setting may need to be repeated. The radio is ready to work. Now about